Welcome guys to day 6 of 30 days of code challenge, and today we are going to take a look at the concept of strings. So string behaves like an array, and like an array the first index of the string starts from 0 and it goes on till n minus 1, where n is the length of the string. So in this task we have been given a string and we have to separate the even indexed characters from the odd indexed characters, and we have to print it like this example here. So the input is like this. First we will be given the number of test cases, and then we will be given the test cases, and then we have to perform the operation. So here is the example. Now the zeroth indexed string character is h in this string called hacker, and these following are the respective indexes of that string. So let's proceed with the challenge. First we have to declare an integer called t, the number of test cases. Let's take the input. Now let's run this loop, this while loop. So what this will do is it will decrement the value each time the loop progresses, and till it becomes 0 it will run, and when it becomes 0 it will terminate. So if there are 3 test cases, then it will first run for 3, 2, 1, and when it becomes 0 it will not run. So it will run for 3 times. So let's declare a string called s, and let's take the input. Now let's run a for loop. I is equal to 0, I is less than. If we want to get the length of a string, we can use this function called s.size. This returns the size of the string. So this is a basic for loop. Now first we have to output the even indexed characters. For that, so cout s of I, because I starting from 0, which is the indexed character. Now we have to take care that if we increment this I by only 1, then we'll also print the odd indexed characters as well as even indexed characters. We don't want that. So for that we have to increment it by 2. So I is equal to I plus 2 will be correct here. Now s of I. So this for loop will run and it will print all the even indexed characters together. Now we have to leave a blank space after that and then continue with the output of the odd characters. Now the odd index starts from 1. So let me initialize I with 1 and rest will be the same. So cout s of I again. Now when this is done we have to skip that line, so we'll write endl here. That's it, we are done. Let's run the code and check if it works. Alright, it's working. Let's submit the code now. A lot of test cases, and we have passed each and every one of it. So we have cleared this test case. So thank you guys for viewing my video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.